Hello friends, my name is Arjun Malik and today I'm going to explain you what is average. It's very simple. Average means the middle number, value of a group of numbers. To find average, we do total of all numbers divided by the number that how many numbers are there. For example, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm gonna add these all and then here are 5 numbers. So divided. So here this sum's answer will come something and here are 5 numbers, so I'm gonna divide it by 5. Simple. Now let me tell you the formula. Average equals to sum of all numbers divided by number of items. Here 1, 2, 3, these are items. So here sum of all numbers, it will be something divided by in how number of items 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it will be this. Simple. Now let me take an example. So this example is on day 1, a man earned 4,000 rupees. On day 2, he earned 6,000. And on day 3, he earned 5,000. So what is the average of these numbers? So it will be simple. First, 4,000 plus 6,000 is 10,000. Plus this 5,000, it will be 15,000. So 15,000, and here are 3 numbers. So 15,000 divided by 3. So simple, it will be 5,000. So these 3 days average is 5,000 rupees. Simple. So the second example is a person's there were 3 exams. In the first exam, he got 80 marks. On the second exam, he got 100 marks. And on the third exam, he got 90 marks. So what is the average of these marks? Very simple. First 80 plus 100, 180 plus 90, 270. So now I'm gonna do 270 divide 3. So it will be, obviously, it will be 90. So the average of these 3 exams is 90 marks. Simple. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your friends and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Bye bye. See you next time. And don't forget to see our second channel, Bob Beta Bonding. And you can watch it now. Bye.